Is it just me, or is everyone actually wondering if this Royal Beach Club in Paradise Island in Nassau is actually going to be complete or not? Well, if you've seen the news and everyone checking their calendars, Royal Caribbean made a post and it looks like it might be done in time. But they've got about, 10 days. But first, let me give you some context of what I'm thinking. That way everyone's on the same page. All right? That way you'll understand why this is such a big deal, at least to me. So Royal Caribbean's Beach Club at Paradise Island in Nassau is scheduled to open in 10 days. They said December 23rd. People are already getting invites to see the island as like a little sneak peek preview. Many of you have told me, have messaged me that you've gotten the invite. I didn't get the invite, okay? As much as you guys think I'm on Royal Caribbean's good list and their favorite, the ultimate fanboy, surprise, we're not. Now, if you remember correctly, when they first announced this Royal Beach Club, not a lot of people responded to it very well. I mean, if you remember the negative comments, people were saying things like, it's too expensive. What about the natural landscape of the beach property? Why would I get off of the ship and spend extra money at this beach club? What about, the people in the Bahamas? All this stuff. I mean, even some critics said that Royal Caribbean was ruining the Bahamas with this new addition to Paradise Island. But public sentiment is starting to change. I'll say it is changing. It's changed dramatically, especially as the project is taking more and more shape over day. Day by day. Let's put it that way. And so now that the pools are coming together, they just put their giant Royal Caribbean anchor with the crown logo at the front of the property. Now that the pools are coming together and you can see the crystal clear teal waters that swimmers can have fun and grab a drink in, plus those luxury cabanas that everyone's talking about, they're starting to look pretty cool. Basically all those amenities and cool things that they listed on paper and the 3D renders, now that they are becoming a reality, people are having a sudden change of heart about that 16-acre property that they're developing. 16? 17. I think it's 17 acres. That's like 13 football fields of paradise. That's pretty freaking cool. But if you didn't know about the island, here's a few things about it. So let me just grab my notes and run through this real quick. The layout includes multiple swimming pools designed for different experiences, and some pools are perfect for families with children, while others are more of a serene adult atmosphere. But what I think is really cool about the entire project, it's not just this corporate takeover atmosphere. If you read through the documents, Bahamians actually have a 49% share over the property. So they have a major stake inside of it. It says for the first time ever, Royal Caribbean is allowing Bahamians to own up to 49% equity in the development. That's pretty cool if you ask me. This innovative ownership model creates a true partnership with the local community. Let me know what you guys think about that and below. I'm not from the Bahamas. If you're a Bahamian and you watch the show, please share with us some of your thoughts. How's it going down there? And people that watch the channel who are not from the Bahamas, they'll scan and look for your comment and chat it up with you. But outside looking in, this innovative partnership does feel like it's creating a really cool partnership together. I don't know. It feels like a pretty big deal because locals of countries get to partake in the shared success of tourism, I don't know. Maybe I'm off on that. I would love to hear you guys' 2 cents on that for sure. They'll have a real say on how the property is developed and grows over time. Now, looking at some of the footage, it's not quite Instagram ready yet, especially considering, it's 10 days away. I still saw some cranes and some construction stuff there, but people are going. People are excited to go, and I've yet to hear them say that they're canceling their opening on December 23rd. But even the walkways and the gathering spaces appear to be meticulously crafted and designed for both beauty and functionality. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, they're still aiming for that December 23rd. December 23rd, that's when they're going to welcome their first Royal Caribbean guests. I guess just in time for that Christmas vacation to kind of make family and friends jealous for those that live in the northern part of areas where it's kind of snowy and cold. I mean, I live in Florida, so it'd be me just going from one paradise to another. But, I'm not bragging, I'm just saying. Oh, and get this. So this Royal Beach Club is designed with some pretty cool environmental initiatives as well. They've committed to zero to waste landfills, which is pretty solid. And it says the company is also working toward 100% renewable energy by 2030. They're installing solar panels, installing water conservations, using sustainable building materials. These are really cool things. I keep saying the word cool because it really is. I don't know, they're kind of building like a mini green city. This is a good sample test of what they could do for future projects. And you know they definitely have future projects. They're always thinking 10 years forward. So it's really, really cool. Let me know how many times I said cool in this video. So yeah, if you've been planning the perfect getaway to get to the Bahamas, this might be a good time. So yeah, I'm going to stop for a few moments and invite you to sail with our hosted voyage on Utopia of the Seas. Next summer, our summer bash, we'll be going to this Royal Beach Club at Paradise Island in Nassau. Like, it's gonna be fun. And guess what? You really don't need to take any PTO. It's gonna be 3 days. If you want to join us, you can reach out to rose@weilertravelgroup.com by clicking that link in the description box below. Highlight that email, send her a message and tell you want to join us. It's gonna be July 3rd. It's gonna be over the 4th of July, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. And I know what you're thinking. Griff, how do I get on this hosted voyage, this curated retreat with y'all, and I don't know what the beach club actually looks like? Well, if you stay on to the end of this video, I may have a small announcement for you guys. But yeah, December 23rd, 2025. You guys know where I'm going with this, right? No, we will not be there in 10 days. But we will be going shortly afterwards. So stay on. I'll let you guys know when we're going. Especially once people start seeing the photos and the videos and the beach loungers and the fun drinks, and I don't know. I start thinking people are going to sign up for this thing. The club, that is. Also our hosted voyage. Anyways, mark your calendars. Set your schedules. July 3rd. Come with us on Utopia of the Seas. And we're going to go check out that Royal Beach Club. When's our cruise on Wonder of the Seas?
26th.
The 26th. December 26th. That's right. The day after Christmas, we're going to head out on Wonder of the Seas and we're going to check out that Royal Beach Club at Paradise Island in Nassau. And I can't wait to bring everyone along to see if it's worth it or not. Good times. But as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe. And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise. Peace.